everyone, welcome! Today I'll unbox Hatchimals. Here is the front, and there's 80 and more to collect. This is season 4. Let's see. Let me show you guys the back. So here it says there's different kinds of them. They all have wings, and each color wing has a meaning. The gray one means it's common. The pink one means it's rare. The purple one means it's ultra rare, and the blue one means it's limited edition. Which one would you like to get? Okay, I'll open it now. I think we got it. There we go. Now I think we open it. Take this part out. Wow! Let's open the collector's guide. Wow, they're so cute. Now here we have the collector's guide. There, got it. This is a pink pony. It looks so shiny. Let me show it to you guys. It has pink hair. It's so cute. Now let's see which one is it. I wonder which collection is it in. Okay, let's find it. Where is she? Where is she? I think she is right here. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna rub it. Rub. Gonna keep rubbing it. Now I think we're gonna break it. Wow! Let's see what we got. Ooh, who is it? Snail, she's so cute. She's so cute. Now I'll find her. She's in the bar family. And now let's check her out. Okay, here we got her. Let's see what's her name. Her name is Fire Fruit. Now let's put the cap back on. And now we'll see the next one. Here is our little cutie. Now let's get the next one. I'll rub it till it turns pink. Okay, keep rubbing. Rub. You have to rub. Wow, let's keep opening it. And now, here we got it. Let's see what cutie it is. Wow, who is she? It looks like she's in the ocean. Here she is, Sharky. Now let's mark her off. Mark her off. There. All done. Now let's see the next one. She is an ultra rare because she has purple wings. Now let's open the next one. Take this one. Okay, let's rub her. Rub her. Keep rubbing, and now here it is. Let's see who we got. Wow. Let's see who we got. She is a donkey or a pig. Wow, she's so cool. Let me show you guys what she looks like. She has a pig snout, She is so cool. She has gray sparkly wings with pink hair. She's from the forest. Right here. Wow, she's a pig. Now let's see the next one. Here's the next one. Now let's open it. Rub. So we can see who's inside. Go there. I opened it. Let's see who she is. How do you keep opening? Okay, now I can see. Here she is. She's a little green bear. I never saw a green bear before. That's so exciting. Wow. Now let me find her from the collector's guide. Oh, I think she's from the river. She's beavery. She's not a bear. She is a beaver. Wow. Let me mark her off now. Here she is. Now let's see the next one. We're all finished with them. But the next box. Here it is. There. Take this out. We don't need the collector's guide. It's the same as the other one. I'll put this aside. And now let's see who we got. First, let's take out this little one. Oh, look at her. This guy. She is in the jungle. Her name is Panda. She is so cute. Now I will mark her off, and then I will get the next one for you guys. And now I'll get one of the eggs and hatch them. Got it. There! I opened it. Let me see who is she. She looks like she's one of the limited edition. Oh my! Who is she? Wow! This is the cutest thing I ever saw. I never saw this before. This is the best thing. I found a unicorn. She has a pink horn and she is so cute. Actually eating. Now I'll mark her off. Here she is. Cute little one. Now I'll open the next one for you guys. Here it is. Whoa! Here it is. Now let's open. I want to open it. Let's see who we got. Wow, we see another one from the special editions. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, get out. You want to play hide and seek too? Yeah, I think we got her. There, here she is. I think she's a walrus. Wow! Look at her. She's so cute. She's so pink, beautiful pink eyes. She has little pink hands, a little pink belly with a heart. Now let me show you the back. Here's her little gray wings with her little tail. Flap, flap. I think she is in the ocean. Let's find her. Her name is Belgu. She is from the ocean. I think she really loves to swim. Now let's put it over here and get the next one. I wonder who it is. Rub, rub, rub. There, opened it. Now I will show you who's inside. Wow, it looks like she's going to be an ant. Wow, she looks like a bug. She's so cute. Maybe she's clapping her hands. Here is the front. She has little antlers over here, a little face, cutie. And here is her belly heart. And now let's turn her around. Here is her little pink wings. And she is the rare one. Now I will find her in the collector's guide. Let's see who she. Her name is Fireflit. She is from the farm. She has to be a bug. I think she's a bee. Okay, now let's get the next one. It's the last one. There. Rub her. Let's see. There. Opened her up. And now let's see who she is. Here she is. Wow, I think she's one of the special editions one. I can't wait to see who she is. She's a little orange cute puppy, so cute. Wow, here's the front, her little blue eyes, her little nose and her little tongue, a little paw. Maybe she's gonna lick her paw. Maybe the pack, little tail, pink little wings. Here she is. Now I'll find her. It looks like she will be in the farm, I think. Here she is in the meadow, and her name is Puppet. She's a puppet? Really? Maybe I can put this on a show for a puppet show. Maybe. Okay, so now we're all done with all of them. Now we're all done with all of the Hatchimals. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Bye! Would you guys like to play a puppet show with me? I want to. Me too. And can I sing and eat for you? What? That's crazy. Why would you? Can I be in the ocean? Of course, but I'm not going to be in a puppet show in the ocean. But we can pretend to. Okay. Who else wants to go? Me.